Okay, I'm taking a video now.
200,000 pounds.
Oh, I'm like getting that's on my face.
Morgan, remember the Sundial Ferris wheel or whatever? As
No.
bad as that. Or was that Vera I was on that with?
I don't know.
Disney, California Adventure?
Owl, where'd you go? Oh.
Remember, Morgan, the Ferris wheel that rocks back and forth?
No, yeah.
It's horrifying. Way worse than this.
Here, you videotape a little. Don't push any.
We're now.
Is it already on?
Yeah.
What's the summer home?
Where if you hold on to the rails, though.
Since there are many streams that flow year-round, the canyon has an abundance of vegetation.
I have no idea what this thing sees right now.
Alder, black maple, and a green field of wild grapevine.
Oh, I hate it when you go right in front of it.
South, the tram car is with
Well, there's already snow, dude.
Whoa, that thing's rotating.
Okay.
Hold on, I want us to get us going over the tower.
Oh, it's probably not because we're gonna be on the other side.
We're gonna be on the side.
ranging from the Sonora Desert to the Alpine Fringe.